Hello guys, this is Take KV and I am here to help you out your problems. Okay, so I'm just going to work on your computer. This is files and how can make files and folders. So first of all, I will tell you we have to learn how can make files and folders on your computer. So first of all, I will make how can make files. Okay, so first of all, you just go to your Word file and you have to type something. And you want to save these files on your computer. So how can you save? So first of all, you again go to this left hand side top corner of your laptop or a screen. Okay, and where you go to the save options, you just click on save, and where you have to type your name or file's name, something just like delta. Okay, this is your file's name. You have to type anything on this file name and you just have to click on save, and this file name will be saved as name of delta. Okay, and is it in your document files? Am I right? I'm just going to check. I didn't. Yeah, this is the delta file. Am I right? Yes, so this is your delta file is in your document folder. So just like this is make your files, and what you have to do, you want to more one thing, you have to make a folder. How can make your folder? So first of all, when you go to your desktop, any local drive, you just click on write. Then you have to click on, you will find some options like a new. Okay, so you just click on new. After that, you will find on the top upper, this is file the folder. So you just click on folder and you will find a new folder page. Then icon means you have to type their name, what you want to do. You just like a abcd or any other things, abcd, and just you click on the left hand side. After that, your the folder's name is abcd is ready for you. So first thing is the delta is a files and abcd is your folder. So what you do, you can delta files should be inserted or moving to your abcd folder. So first of all, you just right click on delta or move it by drag it. Okay, you can just cut it, click on cut, and after that you just paste on the abcd. So right now, yeah, is it not opening? Because your file has been open, that's the reason it's not going. But right now you have to first close that page, and after that it will be move on your abcd folder. Okay.